출동! 구독을 부탁해.
Good to see you again. I am Wipepad. I brought you quizzes. It's the fun hoofed animal quiz. Do you know what a hoof is? Hoof. The hard part on the bottom of the feet of animals, such as horses. Let's get it started. Number 1. Guess what this is? Here's the clue. Then what is this? A donkey. Let's spell it together. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Number 2. Guess what this is? Here's the clue. Then what is this? A deer. Let's spell it together. Deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. Number 3. Guess what this is? Here's the clue. Then what is this? A zebra. Let's spell it together. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Amazing! You are a detective. You fantastically solved all quizzes. Just like Toby and Terry. If there's a clue, there always is the answer. Can't wait the next quiz.